Well, hey there, guys. Elton McFall here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It's the second to last day of the year, December 30th, 2022 here in Montreal, looking through my dirty ass window here. It's yet another shitty day here in the city. Oh my God, I knew this was going to happen because, November was generally very nice. And I think part of December, and it's just like, long-term forecast is very, very very not good. Give you an overview of some of the things on my wall here, which are for sale. Inquire within. That's one of my original photos I took in Cuba. I recently had that enlarged. Now I was thinking, can I ship this or not? I was thinking about that the other day. It's a lot of glass, but I probably could. That just won't be cheap to ship. These are easy because they're smaller. Some of my original photos. Yeah. Anybody's always welcome to come down there and see the collection. It's always better in person. Some more vintage ads, original ads, and photos I have. Yeah, Autobus Galant, that one I took in 2003. This guy just repainted the frame for it actually recently because before the frame was red, and I'm like, yeah, maybe that's why it's not selling. It didn't look very attractive. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, here in my office here, which I should have repainted the walls a long time ago. And finally got this gift here from Christmas birthday gift from my buddy Ed in Savannah, Georgia, Mr. Beatty. And just showed up here minutes ago, actually, while I was on the phone. And yeah, since it's on the table here, I might as well give you a quick look at my latest project. Yeah, looking very sweet. Should be able to see that finished probably in about a week or so. I don't know. Anyway, let's open this guy up, eh? What do you say? Figure out how to get this open here. I already know, by the way, what this is, but again, I get to unbox it for you, get reaction out of it. Things are always better in person. Oh wait, let's take a swig of coffee. This is my third one today. There'll be a couple more in the future. All right, let's see here how we got this. I was gonna say what we got, but I know what I got. I just want to see what it is here. See how she looks. Why does this smell all perfumey? Eh? The hell did you send me here, Ed? You send me perfume here? I don't think so, eh? Very perfumey. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe I could set the camera here in a way. Let me see here. There we go. Just like that, maybe, eh? I like that about how you have this compared to my little Canon camera, my little HS 620 HS. It has a tiny viewfinder. This thing, it's like, it's huge, you know? What the hell did you use here? Some perfume paper, like perfume Georgia paper. Oh. Ah, there it is. Hey, look at that. Look at that, eh? Ooh. Let's get a better look at that there, eh? Ooh, it's a limited edition. I didn't know that. It's written in French also. Wow. Who the hell makes this thing? Who makes this model? Ooh, it's a 1989. There's the real one. Yeah, more on that in a moment. Iconic replicas. Well, this is a new company, eh? Well, let's take her out of there, eh? Let's stop this a second. Well, like any model, any die-cast model, it's definitely well packed, eh? Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's well done. I've had a dream for many years to, I don't know why I don't think about a GM New Look, but definitely as for an MCI, a Novabus Classic, GM Classic, I always had this dream to make a big one, like at least 120, 118 scale, you know, because they're always small, these things, you know? But, you know, it's about cost, say, that's why there's not a big one. Of course, I remember one time I even wrote an email once to AMT, this company right here, which is one of the oldest model car companies, and I said, you guys should make a GM New Look bus, because they sold those fucking buses in every town you can imagine in North America, from like 1989 to 86 practically, so that would be really cool, you know. Hang on a second, guys. I mean, they would sell a lot because everybody loved those. Everybody loved those buses. Everybody could relate to that, you know? How the hell do you open this damn thing? Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. There it is. There she be. Let's get rid of this instruction paper here. Let's get rid of that. Look at that. That's pretty damn neat. That's pretty damn cool. Yeah, the old 161 route, which I took a couple of days ago. Not surprising, it was scrap. It's all scrap on that route. You're lucky if you get a non-scrap. Yeah, proportions are excellent. The dimensions are excellent. The rear on it is excellent. Little F screw up on the paint there. Not a big deal though. Really cool. Really well done. I was just telling my friend Andre on the phone, I said, you know, I used to be able to upload videos from my phone onto YouTube, but not so much. Look, they even got the mirrors. I don't know why I can't upload anymore through the phone. I have to like diagnose it and figure it out. 59058. And look, it's got the Bonjour sticker on there. That's neat. Yeah, this is the only thing I don't like about the bus. I thought that they screwed up is right here is the front. I don't know how the hell they screwed that up. If you look at the whole header panel above the windshield, it's too big. And it's funny because it almost looks like the rubber around the windshield is done by hand. Yeah, this is really poorly done. It's too bad because other than that, it's a terrific model. You know what's funny is when I saw this online, it seems to me like the blue stripe was actually not accurate. It was like an MTA New York blue. This is actually correct. Maybe it was because it was a prototype. It's actually, the front is not, I think it looked horrible on the one shown on the website, but it's still not amazing. Yeah, I don't know why. Still very cool though. Very cool. I remember looking this up too, and at the same time I saw they had one for, they had a new look bus for Quebec City in the old colors, and they had one for friggin', what was it? STRSM, the South Shore, or like what's known as before RTL, Longueuil. And there were a bunch of other ones, I think, too. So they sort of like, in a way, very personalized this for people in these towns, you know? Look at that. I didn't even notice. You can actually see, you can sort of see the inside of the seats even. Oh, there we go. Now we got some better lighting here, eh? Hang on a second. There we go. Yeah, look, you can sort of see the seats, I think, in there. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Yeah, it's very, but it's so small, eh? Well, thanks a lot, Ed. This is really cool. Very thoughtful. What a generous guy. He sent me gifts before. That's really awesome. Yeah. Even though, again, like I'd mentioned, I even told him that Frank, you know me, I don't mince words, but yeah, they definitely screwed up the windshield and the header panel. But it's not horrible. It's still a really nice little model. I don't even know where I'm going to put it. I'm so proud of having it. And of course, it makes me miss the classics even more. What does it say here? I can't read that. I'm looking at that through my camera. It's weird. It's iconic replica. Okay, company, I'm very impressed with what you've done. Now make a big one. Make a big one. Look, they even put like where the doors come out from under the bumper there, where they're lower. That part there is lower than the bumper. That's pretty neat. It's very, again, very well done, very realistic. But again, the front is, they even have the little classic sticker. Even the detail where the rivets comes in on the two-piece on the front panel, right above between the windshield and the bottom of between the headlights and the windshield, even have that part there where it's in two pieces where all the rivets would be. It's really well done. Really cool. Thanks a lot, buddy. Really great stuff. Thanks for sending me that. And by the way, if you ever would like to send me something as well, you know, you'd love related to old vehicles, anything pretty much related to old vehicles, cars, trucks, and buses, you can do that. Send me a message. You can find me on Facebook to get in touch with me, or you can send me an email at eltonmcfall@hotmail.com. Yes, I still have Hotmail. Why? Because I'm of the mentality, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Give you a quick view of some of my cherished models here. There's the Cadillac that Ed gave me, but my friend Ed Herpa from here in Montreal that he built like when he was like, oh God, 16 or something. There's the Monaco you saw before. There's my father, my stepfather. There's Marcel with my nieces. My nieces Charlotte and Rebecca. Charlotte just turned 17. And there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, you want to send me something? Not that I need more stuff, but it's fun. Whatever. I do an unboxing. And I know that you, Mr. Smalley, you got something coming to me too there. So that'll be done ASAP. And before I finish, I think I should show you this. This is really something, because this ad, which I framed the other day, that is from 1921. That's a French-European ad. You can imagine it's probably pretty rare. Just to show you the date there, look at that. This was a magazine ad. Big freaking magazine for the time. Février, le 12 février 1921, the 12th of February 1921. It's only 22 years old, Look at that. La joie, what does it say? La grimpeuse incomparable. The incomparable climber. Yeah, Bélanger. It's funny because I have a friend named Bélanger. I would love to sell that to him, but anyway. So that's it, guys. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.